Hey guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have OPPO Reno 12 Pro and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store, as in my situation. To fix it, go back to the main menu of your Google Play Store and tap on your photo on the right corner. There are Settings, Family and Parental Control. As you can see, now we have page 3. To visible game or application as Mobile Legends games, we need more than page 3. To change it, tap on it, enter your lock screen, connect pin to your parental control and tap on page 16, confirm by got it and save. You can also turn off all your parental control by switch off. And that's all. You can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, and we have it and we can install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.